Financial trauma is deep emotional and psychological stress related to financial losses. It can occur after significant losses, poor trading decisions, or a long period of unstable earnings. Financial trauma isn't just about losing money. It impacts confidence, self-esteem, and can negatively affect daily life. So let's talk about this. Emotions in trading are unavoidable. Every trader, regardless of experience, faces intense emotional reactions, whether it's the fear of losses, the euphoria of a successful trade, or a sense of helplessness during setbacks. It's impossible to avoid emotional trading, everyone must go through it. However, there are key rules to help prevent financial trauma. The point of no return, when you lost too much but still haven't learned to earn consistently. There are key rules to prevent financial trauma. One of the most important rules to avoid falling into an emotional spiral of losses is trading with a small deposit. New traders often start with large sums hoping to get rich quickly, but that's a huge mistake. If you can't turn $30 into $100, why risk large amounts? A small deposit between $10 and $50 allows you to learn without risking significant sums. Small deposits helps maintain calmness because losing $20 is much less painful than losing a few $100s. When you are not risking a lot of money, it's easier to stay cool-headed and make decisions based on analysis rather than emotions. The second key rule is the ability to accept losses. No one can win on every trade, and losses are a natural part of trading. However, the key to success is making your losses smaller than your profits. This can be done in two ways. First, by knowing when to close a trade if it's not going as planned, and second, by taking a sensible approach to risk management. Accepting losses is a crucial skill for any trader. Instead of falling into despair after a few losing trades, it's important to understand that every loss is part of a bigger process. Losses should be part of your strategy, not a catastrophe. The risk-to-reward ratio is one of the most critical aspects of trading. A successful trader will never enter a trade if the potential risk is greater than or equal to the potential reward. If your trades have a poor risk-to-reward ratio, it's a guaranteed failure. An ideal risk-to-reward ratio for a beginner is at least 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. This means that the potential profit should be 2 or 3 times higher than the possible loss. If you are risking $10, your potential profit should be $20 or even more. With this approach, even with frequent losses, you can still end up profitable. This ratio protects you from catastrophic losses and helps you stay in the game longer. But remember, it's crucial to stick to the plan and avoid entering trades that don't meet this criteria. To conclude, financial trauma is a real threat that can happen to any trader, especially beginners. The psychological consequences can be devastating if you don't follow basic rules. By trading with a small deposit, accepting losses, and following a solid risk-reward ratio, you can minimize the risk of serious losses and gradually learn to earn consistently. Emotions in trading are inevitable. The key is not to let them control you. Every trader experiences emotional challenges, but the important thing is to learn to manage them and follow your strategy rather than reacting impulsively. You will lose money, especially in the beginning, but this shouldn't be a reason to give up. The important thing is learning how to handle losses wisely, and only then you will be able to earn consistently and avoid financial trauma. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.